So what's up, guys? Welcome again to another episode of Who? Cocktails with Ray. What I'm gonna do today is a twist on a cocktail called Dark and Stormy, which is made with dark rum and ginger beer. What I'm gonna do is, you know how I do, is a twist. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna use bourbon instead and put the Cocktails with Ray twist on it. So let's get this started. So real quick, just so you can know what I'm using. Number one, main ingredient, bourbon. So Buffalo Trace, right? This right here is one of my top 5 bourbon, guys. And my wifey's preferred choice. She loves Buffalo Trace, so we always make sure that we keep a bottle at home, okay? Also, Gosling's ginger beer, our preferred here at home. Also, I have a Fee Brothers bitters, actually aromatic bitters, which I love. This stuff smells amazing and it changes the game on any cocktail. All right, guys. Listen, as far as the Buffalo Trace, like I always tell you guys, you can always get this at Total Wine or your local liquor store. Shout out to Total Wine. And also, big shout out to Buffalo Trace Distillery. Love this stuff here in this house. So here we go, guys. Let's go. Now, let's get started with, first, let's get a quick peel of lemon. So I'm gonna try to do here, you know, we working on our skills of lemon. I'm gonna put this first. Then we're gonna add our ice. We're gonna go almost to the top, guys. He escaped. I got you. All right. Then we got a brand new bottle here of Buffalo Trace, which in the video, guys, I'm gonna show you. I have it there when I went and I picked up my bottle of Buffalo Trace. Like I said, we love Buffalo Trace in this home, and we always have a bottle at hand. So guys, we're gonna do about 3 ounces of Buffalo Trace, okay? Now, we are going to do about 6 ounces of ginger beer. Then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna grab my bitters, right? And I'm gonna put about 4 to 5 dabs of this. Then I'm gonna get another peel of the lemon. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna twist it to get that flowing. Rub it around the rim, put it in there. I'm gonna give it a quick twist. Nothing crazy, like I always tell you guys. And here we go, guys. A twist on a Dark and Stormy. It's definitely a summer drink. Here goes the best part. Let's taste this bad boy. Cheers, guys. Whew. Need I say more? Stuff is amazing. Now remember guys, right? I put about 6 ounces of the ginger beer. Depending on how strong or lighter you want it, you can always put an ounce less or an ounce more, okay? Remember that. So I love it perfectly like I just told you. So the drink came out amazing. Once again, guys, another great cocktail in the comfort of your home with who? Cocktails with Ray. So guys, so I could continue sharing all these great recipes with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up, get in that description box. If I was too fast for you, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Don't forget, I will continue to bring to you guys these amazing cocktails, easy cocktails that you can make at home. Thank you for hitting up my channel. Peace.